Listen, your blessings do not have to be wrapped in trauma to be delivered to you. You are worthy of a life of wellness, peace, joy, abundance, flow, and ease. And this is the time to manifest it. Let's get into it. Peace and wellness, y'all. We have a new moon peaking in Pisces. New moons are all about setting intentions and manifesting. And Pisces is a mutable water sign ruled by Neptune, our planet of spirituality, dreams, and intuition. When we think of Pisces energy, it's all about divine flow. It's all about adjustability, being able to shift and transition with ease. It's all about being super intuitive and having a divine connection with your highest self as well as the highest divine source. It's about receiving clarity and divine guidance with ease. It's about connecting with nature and being one with the universal elements, especially water. Pisces energy is a beautiful energy to manifest flow, ease, and clarity. Pisces are known for being super self aware, very introspective. This is a time where your intuition will be increased and you'll receive a lot of omens, signs from the universe about how to move and connect with your highest self, as well as how to manifest ease and peace and joy and abundance and flow into your life. But the thing is, a lot of these omens, a lot of these signs are going to come up in your dreams and you'll feel them in your body. Don't be surprised if you find yourself feeling sudden chills, find yourself feeling sudden tingles all over your body. That is a sign that you need to pay attention because spirit is talking. Now, Neptune, our planet of spirituality, dreams, and intuition, will be in Pisces with this new moon, as well as Mercury, our planet of communication. So, again, increasing that spiritual communication energy right now. So, pay attention to those signs and omens. We also have Saturn, our planet of boundaries and restriction, in Pisces with our new moon, Mercury, and Neptune. So, this is a good time to be in the divine flow, to really mind your boundaries and restrictions and your own personal limitations that you are placing on yourself. Just kind of relax and move with ease right now. When you find your nervous system being triggered, this is a good time to really practice some grounding work to calm your nervous system and embrace ease and flow. And Jupiter, our planet of expansion, is squaring our new moon in Pisces. Anytime we have squares, it's bringing us introspective challenges, telling us to improve in certain ways. With Jupiter squaring Saturn, our planet of restrictions and boundaries, Mercury, our planet of communication, as well as Neptune, our planet of spirituality, and our new moon, all in Pisces, we are being called to expand our trust in the universe, our trust in spirit, tap into new creative spiritual practices and techniques to really ground ourselves and be well, while also expanding our own personal trust in spirit, in God, in the universe, and in ourself. This is what we call embracing divine flow, trusting that the universe is working in your favor, that all is conspiring in your favor, and you are well, and it is easy. This is also a great time to connect with the water. We have Mars, our planet of action, in Cancer, and trining our new moon in Pisces, as well as Neptune, Saturn, and Mercury. Anytime we have trines, it brings harmony. Our planet of action is calling us to connect with that water energy. So this is a good time to take a spiritual bath. This is a good time to pour libations for your ancestors. This is a good time to go to an open body of water, river, ocean, lake, creek, etc., and just really honor and connect with the universal element of the water. You'll be surprised what spiritual messages and communication you may receive at that water. Now, of course, I'm going to give y'all some journal prompts to help you manifest this life of divine flow and ease. And in order to do that, you have to understand and define, what does a life of ease look like for you? What are your signs and omens that you are in divine flow? I know for me, when I find random animals, stray animals, birds, dogs, cats, bugs, insects, babies, right? Real innocent, pure energy just attracting to me. That is my sign that I am in divine flow. When I find myself just feeling calm and relaxed in connection with the universe, not seeking anything, understanding that everything that is for me will align with me in divine time. That is how I know I'm in divine flow. What are your signs and omens for you that you are in divine flow? Now, of course, I'm gonna give y'all some crystals and some herbs to help you utilize all of this energy for your wellness and connect with ease. With these herbs, I advise that you take a spiritual bath with the apple, the strawberry leaf, and the hibiscus. You can also make a tea out of all of them, especially the poppy and the catnip. It is definitely up to you. Connect with the herbs, utilize the herbs, and it will help you manifest and feel the ease during this time. Now, keep in mind, this new moon in Pisces energy will last until March 2nd. You have all of that time to take your spiritual bath, to go to the water, leave offerings, to pour libation, to script and manifest what a life of divine flow and ease looks like for you. And don't be afraid to put some workings on it. Once you script it, once you vision it, create a vision board, put a candle on it, manifest your life of divine flow and ease. You are worthy of that. Much love and happy new moon. Peace and wellness, y'all. We have Venus, our planet of love, relationships, beauty, values, and financial abundance, going retrograde, which means it will slow in rotation and appear to be moving backwards in the sign of Aries, which is a cardinal fire sign that brings us the energy of impulsivity, the energy of aggression, the energy of taking charge and strong leadership, the energy of assertiveness and extreme confidence. Now, what all of this essentially means is that from March 2nd, really the evening of the 1st to the morning of March 2nd, when Venus begins its retrograde, all the way till April 13th, when it finally goes back direct, we will be experiencing some slow energy in the areas of love, relationships, beauty, value, as well as financial abundance. Don't be surprised if you feel like your manifestations are moving slow in those areas and kind of taking their time to get to you. It is okay. It all happens in divine time. Also, be mindful of little spicy tit for tat kind of arguments happening between you and your loved ones, especially your lover, your partner, your spouse. Just practice a little more patience. Tap into your intuitive listening. Really pay attention to your emotional intelligence and utilize that right now. Also, don't be surprised if you feel the urge to make a dramatic change in your physical appearance, in your beauty regimen, in your aesthetic. Definitely follow that urge, follow that impulsive energy. And lastly, mind where your attention and focus is going right now. Mind what you are valuing and holding close. Don't be surprised if some of your values are challenged during this season. If you find yourself being a bit introspective and asking yourself, do I really feel that way right now? Do I really identify that way right now? Do I truly believe in this or that? And also really feeling the urge to practice or tap into some new practices, some new beliefs when it comes to your values, okay? Enjoy this Venus retrograde. Remember, retrogrades are really an illusion. It's an optical illusion. The planet is not actually moving backwards. Anything that is for you, you shall have. Nothing is moving away from you. Everything is aligning with you in divine time. The key is self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and good intentions. Much love. No food, no water from sun up to sundown. That's crazy. You can do this. Peace and wellness, y'all. February 28th is the start of Ramadan, which is the holy month in Islam. But you do not have to identify as Muslim to practice and participate in Ramadan. And here is why you should. Let's get into it. Now, the intention of Ramadan is to purify your energy and your body. It is also to increase your faith, to increase your connection between your highest divine self and the highest divine source, to also increase your spiritual communication and enhance your discipline. Now, to practice Ramadan, traditionally you will fast from sun up to sundown, no food, no water. You will also refrain from practicing anything that is considered haram or sin. This means no fornication, no cussing, no bad acts towards self as well as other people. You will also increase your good deeds, your good doings for self and for other people, for community. because one of the intentions of Ramadan is to increase your connection with community, to build community. So it's important to do those good deeds. And lastly, you will practice the art of praying. You will increase your prayer. You will practice more discipline when it comes to prayer to enhance that spiritual communication. Now, I already know some people hear no food, no water from sunup to sundown, and they immediately start to panic. However, keep in mind, one of the intentions of Ramadan is to enhance your faith and discipline. You have the ability to do this. You have to have faith in God as well as yourself. Trust that you have the strength, and the strength will be provided for you to make it through the fast. You can do it. It's for 1 month. Let's get it. Now, keep in mind, if you are pregnant, if you take medication, or you are on your cycle, you are excused from fasting in that way, but you are still expected to build community, practice faith, enhance your discipline with prayer, do good works, and refrain from things that are haram, sin, right? Keep that in mind. Now, I also tell my friends and family and community who don't identify as Muslim that if the no food, no water from sunup to sundown is not something you feel called to do or led to do, feel free to choose the way in which you want to fast. What is something that you are committed to fasting from for the entire month of Ramadan? What is something that you are willing to sacrifice for the entire month of Ramadan that will help you increase your faith, your discipline, your strength, your divine connection and communication? What is something that you are willing to commit to fasting from during this holy month? And I must tell you that during the holy month of Ramadan, people will often greet each other by saying Ramadan Mubarak, which means blessed Ramadan or happy Ramadan, or they may say Ramadan Kareem, which means generous Ramadan. So Ramadan Mubarak to you, and may your good deeds, faith, and good intention be abundantly returned unto you. Much love.